Should you participate in your company's employee stock purchase program, otherwise known as ESPP? Hey everyone, my name is Alvin Carlos. I'm a financial planner and co-founder of District Capital. We help young and mid-career professionals reach their life goals through holistic financial planning. In this video, we will be talking about 4 things about the employee stock purchase program that your company might be offering to employees. Number 1, what exactly is an ESPP? Number 2, what are the main benefits? Number 3, who should avail of it? And number 4, the common pitfalls. Now, this is different from the ESP that you might have when you sense that an AC might be falling down on you and you subconsciously step aside to avoid it crashing down on your head. This is ESPP, Employee Stock Purchase Program. So let's get down to it. Number 1, what exactly is it? This is a benefit that your company might be offering you. It will allow you to buy company stock at a discount. Typically, it's 15% or 10% discount that they might be offering you. And what happens is they're going to deduct it from your paycheck and the company buys it for you every 6 months. Number 2, what are the main benefits? Well, the discount. Who doesn't want to buy things at a bargain, right? If you have an opportunity to buy something at a 10 or 15% discount, why not? Especially if you sell it immediately, you can lock in the profit. Number 3, who should avail of this ESPP benefit? Well, think about it. If you're going to participate in this program, they're going to deduct it from your paycheck. What's going to happen is your take-home pay is going to be lower. So if your budget is tight, maybe you only want to contribute a small percentage of your salary towards this. If you have room in your budget, then you might want to think about contributing more. Some companies I've seen can allows employees to contribute as much as 25% of their salary. That's pretty huge. Now, 4th and last thing, what is the main pitfall of participating in your company's ESPP? The main pitfall that you want to avoid is letting it accumulate over time. It's really tempting to do so, especially if you think it's a good company, probably is, and if you've seen the stock continue rising over time. We recently met with a prospect who has accumulated over $400,000 in employee company stock, and for us it's really risky holding that much money just in one single stock. So there you have it, the 4 key things that you need to know about the employee stock purchase program. What do you think? Do you think you're gonna participate in the upcoming enrollment period that's most likely gonna happen soon? Are you thinking about changing the percentage that you're gonna contribute? So do let us know what you think. Write down in the comment sections, or if you have any other questions about ESPP or any other employee benefits that you don't quite understand what's going on in there, feel free to let us know and we will be happy to do a video on that for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.